Now this is where strategy is gonna meet soul, because that's what we got. This is where vision is going to meet voice. This is where we are going to say what it is that we want and desire, connect with the people next to us, and then create that.
I think they're super important, right? For everybody to have set your boundaries for your organization, how you work with your clients. I'm a big believer in the power of no. So setting those boundaries up front is super critical to avoiding a lot of miscommunication, misunderstandings down the road. And it really lets whoever you're dealing with know and expect what's coming down the pipeline.
Believe it or not, artificial intelligence is actually one of the things that is shaping the creator economy. It might sound mind-boggling today, but eventually, even today, we have what they call AI influencers. And while I know everybody has their own personality, be your authentic self, I get that, we should all do that. However, over the next few years, you will actually be seeing more AI influencers that will be and look and perform like regular everyday people. So that's one of the first things that's really changing the creator economy and where things are going.
A lot of times within our demographic, we don't like to talk about money, but we want to receive it. Right? But we have to evaluate. There's a lot of different resources and tools such as Glassdoor, PayScale to see what it should be. I like to tell people, don't compare your apples to oranges, right? But understand what is it within your value of what is locally paid.
The MFTC Summit is about getting real about the money while staying rooted in culture and community. We are the movement that drives the economy. Let's own it. Let's multiply it. Let's get to the money.